Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, March 8th. Excuse me, not 9th. And we're going to take a look at crude and what is going on with this market today because we are through the floor. Now, if you are a member at Basecamp Trading, you know we talked about this setup yesterday in crude oil, RBOB, and heating oil, saying if we could break yesterday's lows, we would expect it to go lower, and that yesterday you would have triggered your short in the afternoon because we broke through this micro trend on our 120s. Well, that's worked out really well. We had the petroleum status report today and it has tanked. Now, the important thing here is we were looking at our first target being 51.61, the lower end of this range that we've been in for the past 3 months, basically, or 2.5 months. And we have blown through that and are all the way down at 58.17 and still falling right now at 2:20 p.m. So this is looking really, really good for another leg down. Now, the question is, okay, where do we look for this to get to? The next significant support level we're going to have is 44, call it 45 even, 44.97. But before that, we're actually going to run into a weekly trend line here. So pay attention to this weekly trend line. The weekly trend line is down at, if we hit it this week, call it 48 even. If we hit it next week, it'll be 48.25, 48.5. So we still have another 2 points or so to go before we run to that weekly trend line. But this could just be getting started because we're breaking out of this congestion we've been in for the past several months. So crude, great job to everybody that took the shorts in crude oil, RBOB, and heating oil on the last kiss and the bear flags on the dailies. It's working out great. I'd like to see this continue to fall through the floor next day or two. So that's all I have for you for today. By the way, if you are going, I doubt he actually said that, all you have to do is become a member. Well, become a member and go back and watch the recordings from the end of day setups videos yesterday on the 7th. So you can get a membership for $7 for an entire month. Just go to basecamptrading.com/go. So then you can go back and fact check me if you want. But it's working out really well. Great job again to everybody in those trades. First targets are obviously hit. Second targets, we're looking for the swing trade. All right, that's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.